Today, we're diving into the top 8 foods that can help eliminate frequent urination at night. Whether you're struggling with mild disruptions or a more serious problem, these foods could be the simple solution you need to get back to better sleep. 1. Bananas. Adding bananas to your diet could be the game changer you need. Bananas are packed with potassium, an essential mineral that helps balance fluid levels in your body. Potassium plays a key role in preventing fluid retention, which can reduce the amount of urine produced at night. This means fewer trips to the bathroom and a more restful night's sleep. But that's not all. Bananas also contain magnesium, a mineral that relaxes your muscles, including those in your bladder. When your bladder muscles relax, you experience less urgency to urinate at night, leading to fewer sleep interruptions. If you struggle with nocturia, bananas might be exactly what you need to finally sleep through the night. Wondering how to add bananas to your routine? It's easy. You can enjoy a banana as a pre-bedtime snack or blend it into a healthy smoothie. By doing this, you're providing your body with the potassium and magnesium it needs to improve sleep quality. Plus, bananas are delicious, natural, and super easy to incorporate into your daily routine, a perfect solution for managing nighttime urination. Give it a try tonight and see the difference it can make. By making bananas a regular part of your diet, you're not just improving your sleep, you're taking control of your nighttime routine and waking up refreshed every morning. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries could be the answer you've been searching for. These vibrant berries are packed with proanthocyanidins, compounds that prevent harmful bacteria like E. coli from sticking to the walls of your bladder. This is crucial because when bacteria build up, they irritate and inflame your bladder, leading to the constant urge to urinate, especially at night. By reducing bacterial growth, cranberries help soothe your bladder, which can significantly decrease nighttime urination. But it's not just about bacteria. Cranberries also help reduce bladder inflammation, a common cause of frequent urination. If you've been struggling with nocturia, adding cranberries to your diet may provide the relief you've been searching for. Wondering how to incorporate cranberries into your routine? The key is to choose unsweetened cranberry products. Many commercial cranberry juices contain added sugars that can actually irritate your bladder and make the problem worse. Instead, opt for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice or fresh cranberries, which are not only more effective but also healthier for your bladder. Add fresh cranberries to smoothies, sprinkle them on your yogurt, or enjoy a glass of unsweetened cranberry juice as an evening drink. By doing this, you're taking a proactive step toward protecting your bladder, reducing inflammation, and preventing the bacteria that cause those late-night bathroom trips. Make cranberries a part of your nightly routine and see the difference it can make. You'll be amazed at how much better you sleep when you stop waking up in the middle of the night. 3. Oatmeal. Have you ever considered that your favorite breakfast could also help you sleep peacefully through the night? Oatmeal isn't just a cozy morning meal. It's a natural game changer for those struggling with frequent nighttime urination. Rich in dietary fiber, oatmeal keeps your digestive system running smoothly, which is vital for bladder health. Why? When your digestion slows down, it can lead to constipation, creating extra pressure on your bladder. This added strain often results in the constant urge to urinate at night. By supporting regular digestion, oatmeal helps relieve bladder stress and reduce nocturia. That's not all. Oatmeal also plays a significant role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. High blood sugar triggers your body to produce excessive urine as it works to flush out the extra glucose, disrupting your sleep. Oatmeal, known for its low glycemic index, helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, which prevents overproduction of urine and allows you to sleep through the night without interruptions. For the best results, choose plain, unsweetened oatmeal instead of sugary instant options. Enhance its flavor with a sprinkle of cinnamon, which not only tastes amazing but also aids in blood sugar control. Add chopped nuts or seeds for healthy fats and protein, and pair your oatmeal with almond milk or a handful of fresh berries for a well-rounded, bladder-friendly meal. Whether you enjoy it as a warm breakfast or a hearty evening snack, oatmeal is a simple, natural, and effective way to combat nocturia. By making it a regular part of your diet, you'll not only improve your sleep but also support your overall health. Start incorporating oatmeal into your routine today and experience how this wholesome food transforms your nights for the better. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt is more than just a creamy and delicious snack. It's a powerhouse for improving bladder health and reducing frequent urination at night. Rich in probiotics, yogurt promotes a healthy gut by balancing beneficial bacteria. But what does your gut have to do with Nocturia? A healthy gut can significantly reduce inflammation, including in your bladder, helping it function more efficiently and minimizing irritation that triggers frequent bathroom trips. Yogurt is also a fantastic source of calcium and magnesium, two essential minerals that play a vital role in muscle relaxation, including the smooth muscles of the bladder. When these muscles are calm and relaxed, your bladder is better able to hold urine, giving you longer, uninterrupted periods of sleep. This is particularly beneficial for those who experience bladder spasms or overactive bladder symptoms. To maximize the benefits, choose plain, unsweetened yogurt, as added sugars can irritate the bladder. Greek yogurt is an excellent option because it's higher in protein, keeping you full longer while balancing your blood sugar levels, a critical factor in managing urine production. You can enhance the flavor with natural additions like a drizzle of honey, a handful of fresh berries, or a sprinkle of flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. Consider incorporating yogurt as part of your evening routine or as a midday snack to give your body the nutrients it needs to support bladder health. Pair it with other bladder-friendly foods like bananas or almonds to create a synergistic effect, enhancing its ability to reduce nighttime urination. With yogurt in your diet, you're not just nourishing your body, you're setting yourself up for better, more restful nights. 5. Cherries. Cherries, especially tart varieties, are more than just a delicious snack. They're a natural remedy for reducing frequent nighttime urination. One of their key benefits lies in their rich content of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep cycle. By promoting deeper, more restful sleep, cherries can help you avoid unnecessary trips to the bathroom during the night, ensuring your body gets the rest it needs. Beyond melatonin, cherries are packed with antioxidants, which are known for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the bladder. Inflammation can irritate the bladder, making you feel the urge to urinate more frequently. By incorporating cherries into your diet, you may notice a calmer bladder and fewer interruptions to your sleep. This makes cherries an ideal choice for those struggling with nocturia. To experience these benefits, enjoy a handful of fresh tart cherries or a glass of tart cherry juice as part of your evening routine. For optimal results, opt for unsweetened versions to avoid bladder irritation caused by added sugars. You can also combine cherries with other bladder-friendly foods, such as yogurt or almonds, to create a nutrient-dense, soothing snack before bedtime. For variety, consider incorporating dried tart cherries into your meals. Sprinkle them over oatmeal or mix them into salads for a flavorful twist. These simple additions to your diet can provide your body with melatonin and antioxidants, while curbing the discomfort of frequent nighttime urination. By choosing cherries, you're not just improving your sleep, you're taking a natural step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse when it comes to addressing frequent nighttime urination, thanks to their nutrient-dense profile. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these tiny seeds are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce bladder irritation. Chronic inflammation can lead to bladder spasms and increase the urge to urinate, especially at night. By adding pumpkin seeds to your diet, you're actively working to calm your bladder and promote a restful night's sleep. In addition to omega-3s, pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium, a mineral essential for relaxing the muscles of the bladder. When bladder muscles are tense or overactive, they can create a sensation of urgency, even when the bladder isn't full. Magnesium helps prevent these spasms, giving you more control and reducing those disruptive nighttime trips to the bathroom. This makes pumpkin seeds a natural and effective choice for managing nocturia. To enjoy the benefits of pumpkin seeds, try incorporating a small handful, about 1 to 2 ounces, into your evening snack. They're delicious roasted with a sprinkle of salt or lightly seasoned with herbs for added flavor. For a more creative approach, blend pumpkin seeds into a smoothie or sprinkle them over a salad for a nutritious crunch. These seeds also pair well with foods like yogurt, creating a bladder-friendly snack loaded with complementary nutrients like calcium and probiotics. For maximum effect, choose raw or roasted pumpkin seeds without added sugars or heavy seasoning. You can also explore pumpkin seed oil, which has been shown to support urinary health, as a salad, dressing, or drizzled over vegetables. With regular consumption, pumpkin seeds can be a simple yet powerful addition to your diet, helping you tackle frequent urination naturally while promoting overall bladder health. 7. Apples. Apples are an underrated but powerful ally in your fight against frequent nighttime urination. Packed with soluble fiber, apples aid digestion by promoting healthy bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation, which is often an overlooked factor contributing to bladder pressure. When your digestive system is functioning smoothly, it helps relieve unnecessary stress on your bladder, making those nighttime bathroom trips less frequent. This humble fruit also contains natural sugars that provide a steady energy release, preventing blood sugar spikes that can lead to increased urine production. One of the key nutrients in apples is quercetin, a potent antioxidant that combats inflammation. Inflammation is a common cause of bladder irritation, which can trigger that nagging urgency to urinate at night. By calming inflammation, apples help soothe the bladder, allowing it to hold urine more efficiently and enabling you to enjoy uninterrupted sleep. The benefits of apples don't stop there. They're also hydrating without overloading your system with excess fluid, a critical balance when managing nocturia. To reap the full benefits of apples, aim to include one medium apple in your daily routine. Eat it fresh as a convenient snack, or slice it into a salad paired with other bladder-friendly foods like pumpkin seeds or yogurt. For a comforting bedtime treat, try baking apple slices with a dash of cinnamon, which can enhance their anti-inflammatory effects. Combining apples with protein-rich foods such as cheese or nuts can further help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of nighttime urination. Choose organic apples when possible to avoid pesticides that may irritate the bladder. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or blended into a smoothie, this versatile fruit can seamlessly fit into your diet, offering not only bladder support but also a wealth of overall health benefits. Add apples to your arsenal of natural remedies and take one more step toward eliminating nocturia for good. 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not just delicious. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can help combat frequent urination at night. Loaded with magnesium and potassium, these root vegetables work wonders in regulating your body's fluid balance. Potassium acts as a natural diuretic, helping to control sodium levels and reduce water retention, which can lessen the strain on your bladder. Meanwhile, magnesium plays a crucial role in relaxing bladder muscles, reducing spasms, and calming that urgent nighttime need to visit the bathroom. The anti-inflammatory properties of sweet potatoes also contribute to bladder health. Inflammation can irritate the bladder lining, leading to increased sensitivity and frequent urination. By reducing inflammation, sweet potatoes create a more stable environment for your bladder, making them a great food for managing nocturia. Additionally, their low glycemic index ensures a slow and steady release of energy, avoiding the blood sugar spikes that often result in increased urine production. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet is simple and versatile. Try roasting them with olive oil and herbs as a flavorful side dish, or blending them into a creamy soup for dinner. For a satisfying snack, slice and bake sweet potato wedges seasoned with a pinch of cinnamon, which can enhance their anti-inflammatory benefits. Pairing sweet potatoes with a protein source like grilled chicken or beans not only makes for a balanced meal but also helps further stabilize blood sugar levels, offering an additional layer of nocturia prevention. Sweet potatoes are also an excellent alternative to high-sodium, starchy foods like white potatoes or rice. They provide the comforting, hearty texture you crave without putting unnecessary strain on your bladder. Whether baked, mashed, or steamed, sweet potatoes are an easy and effective addition to your meals that supports your body's natural balance. Make them a regular part of your diet to enjoy better sleep and fewer nighttime interruptions. Incorporating these top 8 foods into your daily routine can make a world of difference in combating frequent urination at night. By choosing nutrient-packed options like yogurt, cherries, pumpkin seeds, and sweet potatoes, You're not just addressing the symptoms, you're actively improving your bladder health and overall well-being. These foods help regulate digestion, relax bladder muscles, and reduce inflammation, allowing you to enjoy more restful, uninterrupted sleep. If you've tried any of these foods or have your own tips for managing nocturia, let us know in the comments below. Your experience could inspire others on their journey to better health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on natural remedies and healthy living. Make sure to check out the links in the description for additional resources, and always consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and better nights ahead. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.